Welcome back. You made it to day 2 of our 30-day journey of stories and self-growth. Maybe you're watching this because you want to speak better English. Maybe you just need a little motivation to keep going in life. Either way, today's story is about someone who had nothing, but he made his life into everything. Let's talk about a man who rose from selling newspapers to becoming India's most loved president, Dr. A.P.J. Abdul Kalam story. Abdul Kalam was born in a small town called Rameshwaram in Tamil Nadu. His family was poor. As a child, he used to wake up early and deliver newspapers to support his family, but he was not upset. In fact, he always smiled because he loved to learn. Books were his best friends. He was deeply interested in science and dreamed of flying. Yes, flying high into the sky. People around him thought his dreams were too big, too impossible. But Kalam never gave up. He worked hard, studied with full focus, and one day he became a scientist at ISRO, India's space agency. He was one of the brains behind India's first satellite launch vehicle and later led the missile development program. That's why people call him the Missile Man of India. But he wasn't just a scientist. He was humble, gentle, and deeply loved the youth. In 2002, he became the president of India, not because he wanted power, but because the people wanted a leader who inspired them. He once said, "Dream is not what you see in sleep. Dream is something that does not let you sleep."
Today we learned from Dr. Kalam that your background doesn't define you. Your dreams do. If you believe in learning, keep working hard, and never lose hope, you can fly beyond what anyone ever imagined.